This is the second yew tree that managed to rescue from a customer's garden. Maxing the F2 out this morning. We are right up in the inches, 20 inches on the widest on this way and 21 on the other. This tree's been down for about 13 years. This was the very first customer at the property. That was 3 customers ago. So hopefully this is going to look quite good. Got some nice features in here, but because of the width of it, I don't think I'm going to get those on the top cut, which is what I wanted. They're going to be on the side, I think, unfortunately. But we'll see how we go. That's the first cut. Much like yesterday, this wood, as you can probably see, is actually rock hard still. 13 years, so this is dimming down, I pretty much think. There's nice little pockets in here coming along, see? One in there. Not sure how deep that's going to go. That's pretty good. Lovely bit of wood. We'll get this rolled over in a minute and we'll carry on. Clamped on there. We've got a hollow in there, so I've had to bridge that gap. It should be good. Get ourselves an edge back onto the chain for these last boards. It's better just to keep the chain topped up rather than really dull. So you can see it's just literally a couple of 3 passes of a brand new file. On each tooth. So this is the batch of the boards. I'm pretty pleased with these. Absolutely stunning bits of timber. There's that pip in there, much easier to see now they've been washed off. A few nice features for the resin people. Through there, 20 inches at the widest. These boards up here, but they're all